Welcome to Civil Engineering Economics 307 Homework 8 example. The most important thing, once you get in all your inputted values, there's important things you have to do the proper formulas and calculations in order to get the right things. So the first we need to calculate is the down payment. Your down payment would be the purchase price. Purchase price is in blue, multiplied by the down payment percentage of 15%, and that will equal your down payment. And we know this is correct because in the example problem that we're doing over here, I wrote it in column D to make sure that all our numbers are correct with the formulas. Then we have the loan amount. In order to determine the loan amount, we have to take the down payment. We have to take the plus the purchase price. You do the purchase price first, and you're already paying the down payment. So the loan amount the bank's actually going to give you is the purchase price plus your down minus the amount of money you put in your down payment, because they're not going to give you money for, you already have the money for that down payment. So the loan amount would be $240,000 minus $36,000 equals to $204,000. Then your monthly loan payment is going to be the PMT, this handy dandy formula, of the rate. Our rate is in blue, 5%, divide by 12. The NPR, which is in red, for 30 years, times 12. And then you have the PV, which is B12, which is the loan amount, and that will get you a monthly loan amount. And then your total monthly payment incorporates the monthly loan amount plus your mortgage insurance, so that's B13 plus B9. Net initial cash flow is essentially just going to be your purchase price plus the down payment plus closing fees and costs, and that will equal the $198,000. Total monthly is just taking directly from total monthly payment over here. Nominal APR is going to be 12 times the rate of the B7, 30 years, term of the loan, times 12. And then you have your monthly payment rate. So that is your total monthly payment rate. And then you have the net initial cash flow. So you have 12 times rate, parentheses, blue times 12, and you have your red, comma, and then your purple. And that will get you your nominal APR. And then your effective APR is just the formula effect, your nominal rate, which is right here in blue, and then per year, so that's could be 12, because there's 12 months, because that's per year compounded monthly. I think you wanted it per year overall. So your mortgage interest rate was 5%. The nominal APR is 6.3, about 6%. And then the effective APR is 6.2%. Total monthly payments over the life of the mortgage, excluding insurance, is going to be that term of the loan, B7 times 12 times your monthly payment rate of 12 times B13, which will get you that number over here. Total interest paid would be the loan payment plus total payment. So really, total interest paid. So the total loan you were given was $204,000, but you're paying a total payment of $394,000 approximately. And now that of that interest, that means you're paying about $190,242 in interest. Then for interest component, you do the fancy formula IPMT of the blue B6 divided by 12. Then you have B27, comma, B7 times 12, and then B12 for loan payment. Principal component is just the PPMT, which is B6 divided by 12, so that's your monthly mortgage interest rate divided by 12, comma, and then you have the per 48 months, then you have for 30 years times 12, on loan amount, B12, so you have your blue divided by 12, then you have your red, then you have your purple times 12, then you have your comma green. Last but not least, your loan balance. is a handy dandy formula that worked out for me. So that's going to be E equals PV. Well, my apologies. Loan balance equals PV. Then you have your mortgage interest rate, which is 5%, or B6. Make sure to do the shells. Divided by 12. Then you have 360 for the NPR. So 360 minus B27. Because that's the total amount of months that you're doing out of the entire loan period. Because there's 12 months in a year for 30 years, that's 360 months, minus B27 of 48 months. And that's B13 for the monthly loan payment. And that is how you get your loan balance after 48 months, because of the 360 month loan, because you get 30 years for it, minus the 48, that would be the amount of loan balance remaining after the 48 month. And that is how you do homework problem section 8. And then when you figure all that out, all you have to do on the homework is switch out these numbers to whatever you're given. If it was 230,000, then you just switch out that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Good luck.